Yeah, hello everybody. Today I proudly present IVEE7. IVEE7 is a board of IVEE, and IVEE is a powerful RPN calculator based on fourth. There's another video which shows all the features of IVEE, and IVEE7 is a board of IVEE to this cheap development platform, and the most obvious difference of these two pieces of hardware is the display, where IVEE has a OLED matrix display and IVEE7 has a 7-segment display with 8 digits. So IVEE7 could look like this. There is the development platform, the Arduino micro, a battery, a charging device and a switch. So the hardware is really much more simple than the hardware of IVEE. So I'm gonna show you some differences because of the display. For instance, to view a complex number like 1 and 1, shift complex. There's the indicator which indicates the complex number, and there is a function cView, and the indicator shows the real part, this is 1, and you can switch to the imaginary part, the absolute value, and the angle. So that's one difference. Another difference is because of the display. There are only 2 digits for one command, and the dictionary looks like this. So the numbers are easy to identify, but the commands like P or recall or store are abbreviated with 2 digits. Okay. There is no plotting function, but I can show you how a program can look like. Shift program. There's only one program in it, program number 1, and this is called FN, like function, and we can edit this. And the first step is duplicate, multiply, to subtract. So this is the a function which squares and subtracts 2. And for instance, to find the root of this function or to calculate the function with 5, you can shift function. 5 squared is 25, minus 2 is 23, and to find the root, solve it. The root is the square root of 2, and the integral from 0 to this root could be negative and this value. So the mostly whole functions are implemented of IVEE are implemented to IVEE7, and there was some more space to implement some matrix functions. For instance, if you want to fill a 3 times 3 matrix with some numbers or complex numbers, you can go to Shift G matrix, and this indicates the matrix A, and you can toggle between 2 matrices A and P, and you can load the stack to matrix A like this and view it with N, and the matrix is represented with these 9 keys. So the first number is 1, 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can calculate for instance, the determinant is 133, and calculate the inverse matrix and see the elements of this inverse matrix. And you can flush the matrix to the stack if you would like to calculate with some numbers of the matrix. So that's very simple but a strong matrix function. And actually I'm finished with the differences of IVEE and IVEE7, and thanks for watching and have fun with IVEE and IVEE7, and all I can say is bye bye.